Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, Henny, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, oh yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh I want this to stay. Please don't go.
Morning. Just woke up on Tuesday the 29th, is it? Yeah, it would be. It's a week since my birthday. 29th of August. We are going to have our Gideon's cookies for breakfast, which is really naughty, but you can do it when you're on holiday. So I'm just making some coffees in the Keurig machine, and Carly is about to cut them up, and I will show you them when she's done that. So here is original chocolate chip from Gideon's, and this is their monthly special, peanut butter cold brew. We're about to tuck into these for breakfast. Yes, how much were they? Expensive.
Each.
Yeah.
With tax, they were $12.78, and I think I saw on the credit card last night they come out at £10, 18 pence. I think that's a lot of money for 2 cookies. But they are enormous because they're £half each, so they'll feed the 4 of us for breakfast, but they're not a cheap.
Not a cheap breakfast, but we're on holiday, so we're going to do it. Right, so we're a bit more presentable now. We're all up and dressed and ready. Can you guess where we're going? We're going to Animal Kingdom today. So we're going to go and meet our friends, and then we've got dinner at the Rainforest Cafe at 6 o'clock tonight. It's 20 to 10 now, so we're a bit later going into the park. But yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully the weather should be alright today, but there is Hurricane, how do they say it? Idalia?
Yeah.
Coming in tomorrow or overnight tonight. So tomorrow might be a bit of a washout, but we've got Epcot booked at the moment. Disney haven't told us that they're shutting anything, they're operating at normal hours, but we'll have to wait and see on that one. So we'll take you along to Animal Kingdom today. Here we are, it's another hot one. Look at Eddie's face, he's pleased with it. At least he can see today though. Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, it is still the most shady and nice, cool one.
I always find it quite humid here.
Animal Kingdom, yeah.
Yeah.
Because of all the forest.
But exciting, we're going to do Pandora. We're here till the end of the day when we're going to go to the Rainforest Cafe over there at 6 o'clock for some tea. So looking forward to that. Look in here, look, the lady's feeding the spoonbills. Some of them are pink. Oh, there was a big battle for it there. They're cool, aren't they? They've got funny beaks. They're beautiful, aren't they? So we're just wandering into Pandora. The queue for Flight of Passage is 50 minutes, and for Navi River Journey is 70 for some reason. That seems to be really popular, but we are here for the Flight of Passage, so we're going to go and get on that. Let's meet up with our friends, and it's just coming up to 10 to 11. quite a chilled morning so far, nice and relaxed because we're planning to stay till 6 o'clock when we go into the rainforest, like I said before.
It feels like I can do what you say, yeah. No point, no blaming, it's so great, wanna do this right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head, don't know why. I'm so why. But I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see, I apologize for everything.
Well, flight of passage done for the second time. It's beautiful. Absolutely love it. That was different that time though. I felt like we got more water. Felt like we moved more. We were lower down this time. Really enjoyed it. The queue was way shorter than the other day as well, which was really good. Yeah, just over an hour queue. Really good. What's the plan now?
I think we're going to go to Satuli Canteen.
Satuli Canteen for some lunch. Very nice. What a cool place. Loved it. So we're all done in Pandora at the moment. We just finished lunch in Satuli Canteen, which was really good. We both had the bowls this time, beef and chicken bowls. Plan now is to go over to the safari. It's quite low crowd levels today in the park, so that's showing us a 15-minute queue at the moment, which is good. It's just gone 1 o'clock, and we're just taking the little passage off to the left as you walk out of Pandora towards Africa. Even better, Kilimanjaro safaris, 5-minute standby. So we're now going to go get on this lunchtime safari, see if there's any animals about that we didn't see last time.
Maybe they're being fed.
Maybe. That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think they get fed in the morning.
Charlie!
So we just finished on the safari. That was awesome, and as you come out, most people just carry on, but if you turn right, there's a couple of gorillas just chilling, just having a little lay down, playing with like a bit of bamboo or something.
Yeah, they're both still.
He is cool. So we're just going to wander out of Africa over towards Everest, I believe, because the kids want to go on that. And so much lighter crowd levels than the other day now. The queues are quite low. What a cool view of the back of the Tree of Life. Little fact I was just telling Eddie, this shape of this monument here is the same as the mountains of the ride. What a cool little thing that they've done there.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
This time, see if I feel sick or not this time. Everest time. How long's the queue? 10 minutes. Let's do this.
I dare you to be wilder. My shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
The kids are so excited, we're going again. How much do you love it? How much do you love it?
I like it.
Didn't make me feel ill this time, which is good. So the kids love it so much, we're going straight back on because it's literally a walk on.
Eddie, bring your bag. My challenge is don't. Yeah, the challenge is don't scream. She screams.
That's good fun. So we just done twice on Everest.
I love it.
You love it?
Uh-huh.
That was good fun. We got some very good photos, didn't we, Ellie?
Yeah. Me and Ellie fighting on the first time when we went raw.
I'll insert them in the video. They're very funny. I think the plan now is to go to Dinosaur. So we're going to wander over there now.
picks us up. It's
Heaven!
Let's go.
Doug! 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 Doug!
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days.
So we finished Dinosaur. That was good fun. That throw you about. How much did that throw you around? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
That's good. Right, and now the plan is to go on to Cali River Rapids. Good fun?
It was good. It's fun.
Now it's time for Cali River Rapids. Hopefully we stay as dry as last time. You excited, kids? Excited to get wet?
I'm so hot. Humidity. Would you want to get really wet? I know the best spot, but actually the best.
Well, that's your seat, isn't it?
No. No. I don't care where I sit as long as I do get wet.
Okay.
I think there's 8 seats each one. You're on. Welcome to Cali River Rapids Expedition, brought to you by Ellie. Oh, the tables have turned.
Eddie sitting in the wet seat.
No, it's still turning, Johnny. The turn's gonna be us in the wet seat.
Ah.
The turns have tables! The turns! Oh, how the turns have tables. Oh, no!
Oh, what? Ah!
Oh, how the turns have tables. The turns have
I don't think there's a big drop. I think that's later. Yeah.
That's dripping on my back. Huh? Yeah. There is no big drop. Yeah, there is. Don't worry, you won't get wet.
No.
We're going to turn it. Oh, you might go into that waterfall though. Yeah, you might go in there. Oh, that's not going to turn. Yeah, just let it happen. No, you're not. We're going to turn anyway. We're done. We're done for. It's going to turn anyway, so.
We're gonna do it anyway.
Hey, I told you. Oh, I picked the wrong seat. Look, it's going to keep turning. Exactly. You never know what can happen. Anything. I don't really care. On any Cali River
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh no! Oh, shit. We picked the wrong seat. Eddie, we're back. Oh, look. Everest. Right. Oh, you get a really good view of Everest. The tables do turn. Please turn. Turn! Turn! Oh, yes! 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 Yes, boy! Yes! Yeah, we're gonna get it. Yes, we're gonna get it! Come on up! It's gonna keep turning. I think we get it.
But we came on this voluntarily.
Oh, it's gonna be us! It's gonna be us! Let's go! Yeah, that's gonna be us.
It's gonna be us.
Oh, no!
No! My back.
We done it again, we're back.
Uh-oh. There's people paying the spray.
Oh no.
No.
Where? Where are they paying?
Up there.
Where?
Shut up.
You spray the elephants. Ah!
Where is it?
It's them people up there. We came off that rather wet.
Good.
I got absolutely nailed from behind when we went down the slope. What did you get wet on, Charlie, when it was spraying the elephants at the end?
All of the stuff really.
Yeah, that was good fun though, wasn't it? So,
Like, it did that thing after the drop where the sides get the most wet.
Yeah.
Where like all splashes and it hits over walls and it rebounds.
yeah. So now we're going to go and watch the bird show, hopefully. What time does it start? 3:30. 3:30. So it's 3:15 now. So we're just wandering over that way now. So this is what we're now going to watch, Feathered Friends in Flight. Looks cool, so and a little sit down for us. So, what was that called, that show? Feathers in Flight?
Friends in Flight, I think.
That was really good.
Yeah, I was really impressed.
Really good. The weather says that there's going to be some rain moving in shortly. Our friends have just gone to watch The Lion King, and we're just going to wander on past that and get a Starbucks, have a little chill. But the crowd levels today are so much lighter, so much more noticeable.
It's lovely. So Eddie just asked about the Been There series cups, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because we like collecting them, and we've noticed they only do an espresso size one for Animal Kingdom, and we haven't seen all the others in all the other parks. And
They don't sell them here, and they probably never will.
gutted, absolutely gutted. I'd have totally bought all 4 of them. But there you go. Yeah, we have a Florida one we found the other day. Miami, London. We've got a Universal one, Puerto Rico. We collect them wherever we go, and I'm a bit gutted that they haven't got them. Bring them back, Disney, because they would sell easy, wouldn't they?
Yeah. You might be able to get them on eBay.
I don't know, I want a brand new one.
Did it the first time?
There's no one named
Carly's new name is
Collie.
Border Collie.
And we got this free drink because no one turned up.
Yeah, we had a nice little bonus. We were stood there, and a nice lady at Starbucks came up and said, "Would you like to split this drink? No charge." And I was like, "Yes, please."
It's like a frozen white hot chocolate.
Does it taste good? Yummy. Look at the baby monkey. Oh, if the camera picks it up. But that's a full-size one up there. And there is a tiny little baby one.
Where Charlie is, there's a tortoise.
A tamarin monkey. There he is, the baby. Up there. See if I can zoom in. So cute. Apparently there's a mega tortoise here. Oh, he's buried himself, keeping himself cool. Look.
Dogs would do chill. Oh, look at this one here.
Here's a mega tortoise. Another little monkey up there. Little tamarin monkey. They're so funny.
I want one to come down here. They're cotton head. They're attacking me. Now walking through Africa, gonna go to Asia. Although it looks very cloudy, we're hoping by the time we get to Everest it isn't closed. But if it closes when we're there, that's what has been expected. It's looking incredibly cloudy. But we're gonna try it. Our friends are over there already. I don't think we will make it, but we're gonna go there anyways. Just to see. Exactly. But see you there. It's running. There's people on it. Look, there's people on it.
So we're all done on the last go on Everest.
Yeah. But you didn't go on it.
Me and Carly didn't go on, we filmed it.
It's good. It's about to rain, so we had to get.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it's not raining yet, because it has come over all overcast. We're just wandering over to Pandora again, see if we can ride Navi River Journey, because we haven't done that yet. Dinner's at 6 PM at Rainforest Cafe. It's just coming up now to 5:10. We're just wandering into Pandora, and it is empty. 20-minute queue for flight passage?
Yeah, man. We're straight on that.
Let's do it. The theming around here is next level. Absolutely class. Let's go and get in that queue. Don't know how it's not raining here yet, but you can see it's raining in the distance. So we're just going to get in the queue for Avatar Flight of Passage. And ride that one more time. Then we come out, it should be time for Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, I can hear the thunder now. We are walking with pace now. That thunder is coming.
Hopefully it will happen while we're inside the dinner.
Hopefully this storm passes over whilst we're inside here. Yeah, the winds are picking up. Let's get indoors. Oh, just made it. It is going to lash down. This is a quick queue. We queued all the way around here earlier. You got to do this when it's a 20-minute queue, ain't you? You never know when you'll be back. Oh, perfect. Just finished on Flight of Passage. It looks like the rain has eased off. It's been lashing it down whilst we've been out here. That is such a good ride. Loved it. So we're all done in Animal Kingdom for the day, and we are off to the Rainforest Cafe, which is right at the entrance to Animal Kingdom, where we've got dinner reservations with our friends for 6 p.m. It is cool in here. It's massive as well, isn't it? Very cool. Colors fish tank. That's awesome. Ah, I see an even cooler fish tank. It's got like tunnels going across the top. Very awesome. All done in Rainforest Cafe. That was nice. Very expensive, but yeah, not bad food. Not the best food we've had, but the kids enjoyed it. And it stopped raining. Lovely.
We are blessed.
Blessed.
We are blessed. No more rain.
No more rain. It's even dried up a bit as well.
Perfect.
Oh, and the temperature's dropped. Lovely. Let's go and get the tram back to the car. We've just arrived back at Coronado Springs. Just been around our friends' their like house that they were renting down in Davenport. It was massive, wasn't it?
Nice 5-bedroom, pretty dinky pool. Then because they're staying in the resort, they have this other big pool with slide and stuff.
Yeah.
But it was a massive house.
It was huge, wasn't it?
5
really cool.
bedrooms as well, 2 bunk beds and like 2.
I think it can sleep 12
maybe?
people.
And
Yeah.
1 like king bed or something.
Because
See-
the bunk beds are both like double beds on each.
Yeah. So you boys had a dip in the pool, didn't you?
Yeah, with Millie and Ellie.
Cool. Right, but we're now back, so let's get in the room.
And we're back in the room. We're all done for the day. We had a brilliant day at Animal Kingdom, really good. Got to ride Flight of Passage twice. Queue lines were really noticeably down. Not sure if that's because of the weather. There's a hurricane coming in to hit Florida tomorrow, but Disney's still operating as normal. It looks like it's going further north than us, but there's a few tropical storms in our area, so God knows what the weather's going to be like tomorrow. But the plan for now is we're going to get up, set the alarm for 5 to 7, get a lightning lane hopefully for Guardians of the Galaxy, and then go to Epcot and meet our friends. Not sure what time yet, but fingers crossed the weather's not too bad and we will go to Epcot tomorrow. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots till I drop. Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me.